Welcome to the Rule of Thirds explainer video. This is Sheila and Micah. Their parents live in Europe. They like to share photos via social media, but also they're producing a storybook for an annual gift that they want to give their parents. They want to make sure they include the best photos possible along with their stories. In this lesson, you'll answer the questions: what is the Rule of Thirds? Why is it used? How do you use it? And you'll be able to identify photos that put this rule to use. To use the Rule of Thirds, imagine two vertical lines on your image, equally spaced, creating 3 sections. And then imagine 2 horizontal lines, also equally spaced, creating 3 more sections. The idea is that you'll place your subject along or close to these lines, especially at the points where the lines intersect. This results in more compelling and interesting photos. Now you'll look at a few examples.